Right, I've put a bevel on both sides of this all the way down. It's important when you do this to make sure the bevel reaches the actual wood. If these are sticking out just a hair, the guitar will play terribly. So you need to make sure that these bevels actually, touch the wood. What we're going to do now is take all the tiny burrs off. I'll use a small flat file just to run up and back down, and then we'll use a triangle file, which these have both got soft edges on them so they won't damage the fretboard, and we'll lay this on and we'll run this one up and down, and it'll just start this round over for us and take all the tiny burrs off. Let's just start it. Now we'll use the triangle one, which will lay, we won't be upright as such, we'll just lay it over at this very slight angle. It's already beginning to take that rough edge and the tiny burr that we've got on there away. I'll pause the camera for a minute, I'll turn it over and do the other side, then I'll tape it up and we'll do the final bits. Right, I've done both sides of this now with the small files. What we're going to do now is use a bit of 220 paper, wrap around a dowel. We're going to run it up and down and it will roll all these edges over. We'll just go through to a finer grit and then it'll be ready for the next stage. So we'll run this up and down. That's basically all we need to do. We run that's a 220 grit, I'll go to 320 grit, then 400 until we get these really rounded over nice. And then we can put sanding beam over the top and level these frets. then the whole lot can be polished, recrowned, and then we'll polish it out to a finish. I'll pause the camera while I go through the next stages. It's all pretty much the same as what I've just done. Okay, we've beveled these, cleaned them all up. They're all lovely now. Put some black lines across it. We've got 300 grit paper on this beam, and we'll run this across and level this out now. You can basically see what's happening here, I think. Got a few here that it's not touching. We'll just glide this back and forth until we hit the lot. Could have put perhaps a 220 grit on this, but we'll get to it eventually. Obviously 300 grit is very fine. That section there we're not touching, a little bit there at the moment. I'll pause the camera rather than bore you while I'm going through this. Okay, it only took another couple of 3 minutes. We're perfectly flat now. I'll put another set of black lines across, and we'll recrown all the frets with this, and then we're ready to polish them. Right, this is all level now. And on the last sort of 5 or 6 frets, I've tapered that down just so we can, get less buzzing and put the action down as low as we want to. It just helps. It helps the guitar play in general. I've just started to round these over with one of these files from StewMac, and all we want to do here is just leave a tiny bit of black line right the way across so we don't drop anything lower. And just work our way down the whole lot of these, and basically then they are to size. I just want polishing out after that. Zoom, whatever one that zooms in on. Where are we? That's all we need to do. And that's it basically. I'll just work my way across these while I pause the camera, and then we're basically done.